this is Jimit Shah. Welcome to the Jim's Automation. Today we'll see how to upload and download the program to the physical PLC without laptop in Micrologix 1400 PLC. Let's suppose you have a machine, you have a PLC inside that, and you want to copy one program to another PLC. Let's suppose you have multiple PLCs, right? Let's suppose you have like 5 PLCs on the field, on utility floors, and you want to copy one program of one particular master PLC, and then you want to paste to another subsets of PLCs, like another PLCs. So how to do that? It is very simple. It is a small process with the help of memory module. Okay, so memory module is like a pen drive, you can say. It is not a pen drive, but in non-technical language, I can say that it is a pen drive for us. Let's suppose I want to copy one data from one laptop and then I can paste to another laptop. The same way you can do in this PLC with the help of memory module. Okay, so that memory module details, let me give you. Micrologix 1400 supports a non-volatile double EEPROM memory module. It is not a SD card. Let me erase it. This is a memory module. Okay. Please note, it is mentioned that it is non-volatile double EEPROM. What does it mean? It means that, see, volatile means whenever you restart the PLC, the memory will be erased. Okay, whenever you restart that memory module, memory will be erased. It is a non-volatile. That means it will not erase. It will store for the longer time, for the permanent one. Up to you change, it will be stored in the it will be stored in the memory module. So it is a non-volatile double EEPROM. You can find the full form is double EEPROM is a kind of memory. Okay, so it is a memory module. It looks like this here. This one, can you see this one? This is a memory module for particular this Micrologix 1400 PLC. It stores the complete PLC program, including configuration and parameters. Suppose I have one program and I want to copy to the memory module. So once I finish that process, it will store everything about the programming, whether it is values or parameters or configurations or any rung title comments, everything it will be stored, right? So that module part number, if you see, generally doesn't come with the PLC by default. You need to purchase it externally. Okay. Okay. You need to purchase it separately. So if you want to purchase, this is the part number. Okay. 1766 mm1. So this is the part number of memory module of this Micrologix 1400 PLC, right? So plugs into dedicated slot under a cover on the PLC. Now, if you check out that PLC, there is a slot. I'll show you. Okay. So before jumping to the steps, how to copy one program to the another program to the memory module, let me show you from where you can fix this slot, fix this memory module. Let me show you one video for that. Can you see here? This is our PLC Micrologix 1400. Now, in this PLC, all other things we are very sure like these are the serial ports and communication ports. In the last video, I have already seen, right? I have already explained you about the different type of communication ports. So here there is a memory module slot available. If you check out this, see, this is a blank cover. Okay, this memory module slot is covered by the blank plastic box. So what you can do is you can just simply take out using this tester, and you can fix that memory module which you have purchased separately. It doesn't come with the PLC. So you need to purchase that separately, that memory module, and you can fix it over here. This is the slot, and you can fix it like this. I'll show you this is just a place I will say. I just explained that from here you can fix the memory module. Now let me show you the steps. Okay, this is the memory module. Part number is 1766mm1. All right. Now these are the steps to download. Load program from memory module to PLC. Let's suppose I have a program in the memory module and I want to store it to the PLC. Okay, so there are restoring the program, transferring to another PLC. These are the useful steps. Okay, first is ensure the memory module is inserted. Memory module you need to insert. I'll show you that how insert. The place we have already checked, right, in the video, that here you need to insert that memory module. So ensure that memory module is inserted. Then power on the PLC and put it into the program mode. There are three types of mode in the PLC: program mode, run mode, and remote mode. So you need to change to the program mode using that up and down buttons of the PLC, right? Then you need to navigate to advanced setup, then memory module, and then click on load from double EEPROM. There are options. I'll show you in the next video as well. Practically we'll see, but this is just a theory. So in this advanced setup, if you go to the memory module, there is an option of load from double EEPROM. So confirm yes. So what will happen? PLC replace current RAM content with the same program from the EEPROM. Warning: this will override the current program in the PLC memory, PLC RAM. If you perform this task, current PLC program will be erased and memory module program will be transferred to the PLC. Okay, so let me show you here. We can check out this as well. See, this is a PLC. Okay, and from this LCD, you can navigate to a different options. So what we will do first, we will insert the memory module, and then after we will navigate to the memory module option with the help of these buttons. Now see, this is the memory module. Can you see here? This is the memory module written over here. Memory module. Right? So memory module is inserted. Now, what you can do is go to press down, down, and go to advanced setting. Then press down, 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 and then go to communication double EEPROM. Here there are two options: store to MM and load from MM. Can you see here this one? See, there are two options: store to memory module. If you want to program, if your PLC has a program and that program you want to store to memory module, from PLC to memory module, then you need to select store to MM, memory module. And if you have a memory module with program, then you can transfer your program from memory module to the PLC. In that case, you need to select load from MM. So here we will select load from MM. See, load from memory module. Once you press OK, okay, it will ask for the confirmation. Okay. Now see, load successfully. Load from MM is successful. Once it is done, that means your memory module has transferred this program to the PLC. Then what you can do is, here, go back using escape button, and then go to the mode switch. Here in the mode switch, you need to press run mode. Okay. Once you press the run mode, then that means now your PLC is ready for execution. Okay, so these are the simple steps you need to follow. Okay, exactly opposite. Once you see, These are the process of downloading from memory module to PLC. And to upload means store PLC from to a memory module, PLC program to the memory module. The same way we have seen in the video, right? That press escape P and then go to advanced setup, memory module, and click on store to EEPROM. Here what we have selected, load from EEPROM. Here you need to select store to EEPROM. Okay, and then press enter, confirm with yes. The PLC will copy the entire RAM content current program with the memory module, right? And success message appears on the LCD, takes few seconds to complete. So what you can do is, let's suppose you have a memory module and you have multiple PLCs at the same time. Okay, so every time you should not use laptop, because it is a time consuming process. Connect Ethernet cables or connect RS-232 cables, then check the communication port, then check IP address, then go to the program, and it is a long process. Okay, but if you have a memory module, simply what you can do is just insert that memory module, follow that few steps. Once it is stored, take out the memory module, place this memory module to the second PLC, same process, follow that same process. Though within few seconds, it is a process of 1 minute hardly. So within 1 minute, you can easily transfer the program from the memory module, or else you can upload the program from the PLC to the memory module. All right. So I hope it is clear. That how to upload and download the program from the physical PLC without laptop. All right. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class. Thank you.